Ang process, kasi kailangan muna ng DENR, ECC, no? And then the PRA because of the area. And then, paano siya mag-uumpisa? Sino yung mag-green light sa kanya? Kasi I remember even President Duterte, sabi niya, ayoko ng reclamation, but actually several projects were approved nung early years niya, and then later, sinabi na lang niya, ayoko na ng new reclamation.
Binawi from Manila, specifically, if I remember.
So, ano yung process? So, DENR
Talagang
muna.
DNR and PRA. Oo.
And then, yung Go Signal, umpisahan nyo na yan. Sino na yan?
Sila rin. Kasi minsan di naman alam ng presidente. Ang sabi ko nga, the president can veto. Like for example, I went to President Aquino during that time. And then sinabi niya, I don't want any reclamation in Manila Bay. It stop. Now, stop ngayon kasi sinabi ni President Marcos, kailangan mag-announce ka na stop.